What's going on, you guys? Ace Backer here, coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be giving you guys a quick overview of QuantumScape and what to expect after hours for their earnings call. So I'm going to give you my personal opinion, we're going to run through some stats, and overall it's just going to be a really quick, brief overview. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. It would only take a second, and I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to consider dropping a like on this video, and without further ado, let's get on with it. So, QuantumScape. Currently it is at $50.03 a share. It has dropped drastically from its high point at around $115 from what I can remember. I actually owned this stock for a little bit. I bought in at about $18, sold around $43. I did not like the amount of volatility that was in the stock in terms of growth, because the growth for it wasn't that huge. I believe they're just a company that makes electric batteries, and to my understanding, there's a lot of competition going on right now for electric batteries. Electric batteries are the future, but it is very competitive. Like, as to say, this is a market everybody is coming into. QuantumScape has a lead, but overall, I don't believe that they have a strong lead. Currently, they're at a neutral, according to TD Ameritrade. Here's some quick news. See you guys, just reading the headliners to see. And a lot of them state them as overweight. Yahoo Finance finds it overvalued. Short term, it's bullish. Midterm, bearish. Personally, I think it might drop a little bit more. Some of the news that they've been releasing lately is pretty bearish. It might strike a bullish pose if they announce something better, like some new contracts on their earnings call. But they also have amended the exercise date of some of their warrants, so people can exercise them faster. So the best way to review a company is by checking out the company. More than just reading the news, reading stats around it. You always want to go to their website and see what they're actually doing. So I'm not going to lie to you, their website is very impressive. It's coming off very nice so far, and it seems like they're very presentable. They are focused around electric batteries, which are lithium. And of course, I don't know much about the company. I'm giving it a brief overview on a first look basis, and it does seem very professional. I do think that if they were going to be fraudulent, there wouldn't be so much investment into their website. So of course, the spike in their price for their stock was probably just a mishap by investors, but overall I don't think the company seems to be doing anything fraudulent. So it seems like there is strong stewardship. That's just who's managing the company, how credible they are. And it seems like some of their rivals got a battery deal, which is Borg-Warner. I have not heard of that company either, but I do believe that QuantumScape is ahead. So the company claims that it has a solid-state battery that can charge 80% in 15 minutes, and that's half the time required for the new Tesla chargers, which is pretty big because Tesla is a pretty big company. So another thing too, real quick, it seems based on the stats and performance that QuantumScape is actually just it is just that just a battery company. And although that is not necessarily a amazing thing, it is a stable commodity. So I do want to say that overall, it seems like the sales of QuantumScape are going to continue to increase. I do see this long-term bullish. Short-term, however, it does seem like this stock is going to continue to go on a downside, as it is a brand new company on the stock market, and they are going to be facing some tough competition. So personally for me, I do see it being around about $40, $45. If you're holding it right now, just hold it. Long-term, you could see some very large gains due to the fact that a bunch of companies are going to be converting to electrics very soon. You got GM, you got Ford, you have, I believe, Toyota, and a bunch of other companies are just going all at it to get into the electric field. So I do think that this will be going upwards in terms of gaining contracts with some automakers. So I do think this is a great company to hold long-term. If you're looking at short-term prospects, if you're a day trader, I go nuts. I can't tell you, but long term, this does look like a very bullish stock. But if you are day trading, this probably isn't the video for you. I couldn't tell you if it's going to go up or down after hours. Personally, for me, I think it might go down, but I think it's bullish long term. Yeah, after that spike, it lost some of its credibility. You could tell some of the investors probably disappointed and weren't too keen on investing right back in again, but I do think that it's going to be a very good stock to hold in the long run due to the fact that it's a stable commodity, and I don't know how the company will stack up against competitors, but overall it looks like they are very credible in terms of stewardship. I don't see any commitment to fraudulent activities. It does seem like their stock was being manipulated by investors, but it also seems like they are overvalued to the fact that people think that they're going to be the leader in electric batteries. So far, it seems like they're very popular, so I have high hopes for it. I will keep watch, just as you are. But yeah, guys, tomorrow I'll be going a little bit more in depth with Walmart's earnings, which is on Thursday. So I'll be posting a video tomorrow on Walmart's earnings. If you guys are just watching this just now, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Comment down below what you thought. Comment down below anything I missed or what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.